What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see the title, I am finally gonna hit the track. It's been so long since I hit the quarter mile, and even better, it's really cool right now in Houston. I believe as the time I get there, it's gonna be about 60 to 65. So, you know, a very good weather today. Maybe even in the 50s, you know what I mean? Without further ado, let's hop in the car and let's get going. I'm gonna be coming with my brother Jeremy. He's gonna be doing the filming, and I appreciate him for coming. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go.
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but love, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the Canyon, we making a killing.
Alright.
Our street tires.
Ooh, it's hot in here, man. Yeah, it's hot in here. We're gonna let you know, let all the heat out, cool it down. If you guys are new to the channel, 2019 Mustang GT, full bolt-ons, closed box intake, headers, full exhaust, E85, and no passenger seat. If you guys are new to the channel, that's what's going on over here. And then, as you guys can obviously see, there, you know, I have the drag pack. I'm ready to party. Yes, sir. So, what do you feel right now, man? I think it's cold, right?
It is. It's feeling cold.
Yeah.
There's nothing in lane 6.
It will get cold. It's about to
Nothing
get
in lane
colder.
6.
Yeah. Let me see the.
It's 60 right now.
Lanes 7 and 8 are
You think it's
split
60?
in
Yeah,
radial. We'll start with 7 and 8 tonight.
Hey, oh, 66.
I don't know why you guys
66.
skipped a whole lane
So,
back there. But
hopefully, guys, if this
those
gets to
cars are gonna
50
get
or
a time
something,
at the racetrack.
man, we're gonna be flying. We're gonna be flying.
So this is not perfect yet.
No. I mean, not yet, but it's better than what
Once
last
lanes
time we were
7
here.
and
What
8
was
are
it?
full, we'll move over
90?
lanes.
100?
90.
So definitely better than 90, 100. Alright guys, I just went for my first pass. The weather right now, I think when I went was 60 degrees. The DA I just checked right now, it's like 83 feet. As you guys saw the time slip right there. The reaction time, I mean, nobody cares about that. I'm chasing for the actual time. So my 60 foot was pretty good, 1.69. Definitely good for this weather. And then the quarter mile time, I'm not at the 10's just yet, guys. 11.2, 125. So not bad numbers, not bad. We're getting better. The DA is definitely gonna get better. So we're gonna see that improve. So the car launched real good. Like I said, I had a 1.6 60 foot. Very happy. The only thing holding me back right now is obviously the weather. And God willing, fingers crossed, guys, 10s tonight, man. Look, Jeremy, what you think?
10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 7. That's good
Nah, not 10. Nah, we can't go straight to that, dude. You gotta go. You know what I mean? That's a big difference right there. So hopefully, you guys, high 10, 9, maybe 10, 9, 9, 9, 9. That'd be crazy, man. But stay tuned. I'm lined up for the second run. The weather is only getting better. Let's go.
Bro.
2,000 years later.
Alright, y'all, that was it for today's video, guys. Happy Halloween. Enjoy it with your family, your friends. So we're still not in the 10s. So I'm gonna compile all the data, all the mods that I have to the car. And tomorrow's video, we're gonna talk about why we're not in the 10s just yet. So stay tuned for that, very interesting. And we're also gonna figure out the tune part of it, data login for Lund. And next Friday, I'm going back to the track, and I will be in the 10s, period. Alright, so I'm gonna work very hard to figure it out and figure out what's going on. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm gonna talk all about that. But for now, that was it for today's video. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. As always, guys, I will see you on the next video. Peace.